Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change a nickname of your friend in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam and just click here, friends and chat. Right when you're here, what you want to do is just right click on your friend, manage, and add a nickname. And enter nickname, Gonfi Gaming God. And voila, here we got it. And when you see your nickname for this friend, so this is a sign that you got a nickname for your friend, and that's probably it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support and some guidance. But yeah, I hope you're going to have a great day. I really enjoy making this video. And have a great day and goodbye.